Hello everyone. This is our question number 7 in the series of discussion of the previous year's questions of UPSC CSE Geography discipline. Question is, each day is more or less the same. The morning is clear and bright with the sea breeze. As the sun climbs high in the sky, heat mount up, dark clouds form, and then rain comes with thunder and lightning. But rain is soon over. And which the question is asking us which kind of climate we are discussing about in the above passage, whether it is a savanna, monsoon, equatorial or Mediterranean. Let's go into the detail of the question again. Each day is same. It means throughout the year there will be not so much variation. Mornings are usually very clear. In the noon there will be the higher temperature. The sun will be in the highest in the sky. There will be rain with thunder and lightning every day. And soon the rain is over. Okay. The answer of this question is equatorial type of climate. We will go into a deeper detail that what are the characteristics of a equatorial type of climate. This region experience a higher temperature all around the year. The average monthly temperature are about 26 to 28 degrees Celsius. The annual temperature may be as low as a 3 degrees Celsius temperature range. Okay. This line want to say that maximum there will be around 28-29 degrees Celsius temperature throughout the year, and minimum temperature can be 25 to 26 degrees Celsius. It means there are no much variation. The temperature usually same throughout the year. Humidity is very large, and this area have a major different characteristics which make it different. It has a high rainfall. It experience around 2000 millimeter of rainfall throughout the year, and the reason for this rainfall throughout the year is the intertropical convergence zone area pass through this area, and it bring heavy rainfall and thunderstorm. This concept of intertropical convergence zone we will discuss it in a different video because we need a detailed and deeper analysis. Okay. And let's discuss more features of this type of climate. Rainforests are usually located in the equatorial type of climate, and these equatorial climate are hot and they are wet throughout the year. There is a very high humidity, and there is an annual rainfall high as it rains almost every day. Temperature constant throughout the year, and temperature range is only a few degrees, which we have discussed. In equatorial type of climate there are no seasons. Like in India there is a monsoon type of climate, so there are different season of winter and summer and monsoon. Okay. And summer, winter. But in the equatorial type of climate, because the temperature is usually same throughout the year, so there are no seasons. The climate graph shows average rainfall and temperature located in the Amazon forest in Brazil. The highest monthly rainfall is in the March, and lowest is in the August. Temperature very little throughout the year. And these the blue marked area show us that area where we can find equatorial type of climate or equatorial forest. These are the Amazon basins in South America, Congo basin in Africa, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, basically the Southeast Asia. And these equatorial type of forest or this climate where we will find it around the 10 to 5 degree latitude of the around the equator. Okay, the equator line, above the equator line between 10 to 50 degree north or 10 to 50 degree south, we will find the tropical type of rainforest or the equatorial type of climate. And rainfall is usually very high every month, and area is very humid and wet. And if we go by the Köppen climate classification, which is given in detailed in NCERT, so it is designated as AF. This information I have collected from the Wikipedia basically. So this is our question which we have discussed, and now we will go for the solution which we have already discussed. That is, answer is equatorial type of climate. The major features are there are no different season because throughout the year temperature is same. There are very high rainfall, and there we will find the evergreen forest because rainfall is high and temperature is very high, and there we will find the amazing biodiversity also. These amazing forests are also very famous. So this is the question. And what this question indicating us, the UPSC have asked this question. So we have to also go into detail that we are aware about the equatorial type of climate, but we should have information that what are savanna type of climate, what are monsoon type of climate, what are the Mediterranean type of climate, and we will discuss all these facts, concept and a piece of information in our next videos. First of all, we will cover the previous year's question series of geography, and then we will go into much deeper the basic concepts and details which are must to do thing, okay, for the prelims, because these are the basic areas where questions are usually asked, okay, by changing their format, by changing their style, by little adding or subtracting the piece of knowledge of information. So that is all. Thank you guys.